It'd be a lot easier to review this information, understand that every condition has a specific differential, specific finding, specific mnemonic, to a point where when you look at a question like this, you're able to say, Stavro, I know what this is. I know what this is. And you move on, step by step by step. It's up to us to do it together. Okay. So if you are at the beginning stages, you take a couple of days to focus blocks and immuno, review and move. If you've done everything already, you come in here on a beautiful Tuesday morning for me to show you things, then keep up with me every Tuesday and Thursday. You'll be able to get
the next question.
I'm sorry? Hello? Someone jumped on. So
okay, so pulmonary function test results are as follows. Which of the following cell types likely contributed the most to this patient's decline in pulmonary function? So we have a 63-year-old woman that comes to the office due to slowly progressive dyspnea on exertion and cough, productive of white yellow sputum over the past 7 years. She has a history of rheumatoid arthritis and seasonal allergies.
So I don't know if somebody jumped on. So I'm sorry, guys, if you're jumping on. If you are jumping on, let me know in advance if you want to present a case, because I'm not sure if you're presenting a case or not, Dr. AA. But if you love to present cases, we'll definitely have an opportunity to present cases and talk about cases moving forward. And you can also present cases on our online community, which is right here, our online community, which is going to be changing shortly. And you'll get emails for that too. You can come to this online community that we have currently running. We have here our recorded live sessions. We have our weekly AMBOSS questions, which I put on every session we have. Submit topics for review are here. And again, you know, if I see that there's more activity, I love to set up another session for us throughout the week. Well, it's a question and answer, but that's upon you to jump on, to ask questions, all of us together to answer all together. And if you ever want to present the case, we have to watch HIPAA. We have to make sure we don't break any rules. And I love to talk about cases with you guys. Okay. Main concern here is we have to pass step 1. And ideally we'll do it together step by step. Okay. So these sets of questions here are for your pleasure, for your usage. You have to do them if you want to do well and get the points. You will get the questions put onto the online community. And if you have any further questions, sorry, I froze again. If any further questions, please, my team is always here for you. If you don't have access to the QBank video library, that is the on-demand video that many people are watching. Step in day by day to make sure that, hey, 2 sessions aren't enough. I get it. But I'm there 24/7 uploading many more videos, many more questions for your pleasure, for you guys to get the points. Okay. Okay, Doc. Well, Dr. Bhatia, sorry for jumping on late on your end. It's 8 o'clock Central. I believe my team did send you an email, but you can reach out to my team, support@USMLEtrainings.com. It's every Tuesday and Thursday, 8 o'clock Central. All right. Okay, guys. Well, listen, have an amazing day. Looking forward to seeing you on Thursday. Thursday, we will have micro. Thursday, we'll have biochemistry. We'll do it step by step as a team to make sure that we move forward and we do very, very well together. All right. So thank you so much for jumping on. It's a pleasure. Please use the community, access everything there. And anything you need 24/7, my team, my support team is there to help you guys. Okay. Thank you. Let me know. And before we go, send me any reports you guys have. I'll put the email here, but I want any kind of reports, NBME reports, assessments, previous failures. Send it to my team. This is the email. And then I'll look at your performance and go from there. Okay. You guys are the best. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday morning for micro and biochem. All the best. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you.